here we are. Long day.
I'm tired.
Went to the zoo, spent all day at the zoo, and then went to this amazing wings place called Ocean's 11. Oh yeah, it was Lindsay's first time being there.
Yeah, and the after effects for my nails.
Oh yeah, here you can see her nails. Yeah, we forgot to record her earlier.
Katy Perry.
Oh, it's hard to see it. It's hard, but they can't really see it.
Middle finger, I'm just kidding.
Well, it's hard to see, but it's supposed to be like, it's supposed to be like all like crackled, and then the purple in the background.
I'm gonna fall asleep. Good night.
Yo, don't be a dog. Don't be a dog. Have a fuck. What?
Try not to shut up. You're not involved in the video.
Channel.
But yeah, anyway, so yeah, we went to Ocean's 11, and it was amazing. They have like the best wings ever.
Basic camera.
Ever.
That was the best chicken wings I've ever had in my life.
So good.
Ocean 11.
I can't eat anymore.
Ocean 11 is the best.
It's called Ocean's 11 on the beach, and it's in Hollywood, Florida. So if you're in the area, search it up. It's on like I forgot exactly what it's on, like something.
It's amazing.
Road.
It is amazing.
But anyway, yeah, just search it up. You can search it up online probably and find it. It's called Ocean's 11 on the beach in Hollywood, Florida. So if you're in the area,
You
stop
just
by.
said that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Just reminding them, making sure that they heard.
The zoo was awesome.
Oh no, the sauce is freaking like addicting you. Like you taste that sauce and you can't stop eating it.
Yo, it's like a drug. Seriously.
It's amazing. I don't know what the crap they put in that sauce, but it's so good. Lindsay,
I think they
on a
put
scale of 1 to 10, what would you give those chicken wings?
1. I'm just kidding. 10, of course. No, like maybe a 20.
I see. I would give them like 5 million.
Talk 5 million, more like 5 billion.
They're amazing.
Okay.
But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna stop this. It's late. I'm tired. It's only like
late?
7 o'clock.
Late? It's only 7:03. What are you talking
It's only
about?
7 o'clock.
Party.
We woke up at like 6 this morning.
Let's
I
party.
went to that late, and I'm tired.
I need music.
And we were out like all day, and have work tomorrow. So say good night to everybody.
Peace out. I hope you like our channel.
Peace out, sucker.
No.
Bye.